Hello guys, so welcome to your Python programming tutorial video and in this video we are going to be looking at Python basic operators. Now there are several operators in Python. Python has all the operators supported by most other programming language, and in this video we are going to be looking at those different operators. Now in Python, if you're carrying out mathematical operations, addition, division, and all the rest, we have three major kinds of operators. We have binary operators. Let's look at an example here. For example, here is an identifier var1. We assign the value 5 plus 20.5 to that identifier. Now, in this expression, we can say 5 and 10 are what we call operands, while the plus is what we call the operator. Now, we have the left operand, which is 5, and we have the right operand, which is 20.5. Now, this is a plus operator or an addition operator, and it has two operands, one on the left and one on the right. So we call it a binary operator. There are some operators which have three operands, which we call ternary operators, and there are some operators which have just a single operand, which we call a unary operator. Now, the equal to sign here is known as the assignment operator. What happens is this particular operation, we have 5 plus 20.5. You know, it's evaluated from what we call right to left. There are some expressions which are evaluated from left to right, but this is evaluated from right to left. What happens here is 5 plus 20 is first evaluated. The value now is assigned with the assignment operator to var1. So as you can see, it's moving from right to left, not from here or not from left to right. All right, that's what I'm trying to explain here. So as you can see, here are the three operators. We have unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operators. You know, ternary operators have three operands. Now, here is another example of a binary operator. We have the division operator. It has two operands, and we assign the value with the assignment operator to the identifier var2. In this expression above, the binary operator division has an operand 30.6 and 20. Execution is done from right to left, as I explained to you. That is, the addition operator is applied first to add 10. This one is adding 30.6 and 20, and then the assignment operator, sorry, this is a mistake here, and the assignment operator is applied last. Now, there are some expressions, as we will be seeing in later videos. Okay. So it's explaining what I was talking about. Now, here are the main types of operators in Python. We have arithmetic, we have comparison or relational operators, we have assignment operators, we have logical operators, and we have bitwise operator, we have membership operator, we have identity operator. So here are some examples describing them. For example, in this one, we have equals to 30 plus 40. This is an assignment operator. This is an arithmetic operator. Here we have a comparison operator, less than, greater than on the rest. We are going to see all these operators in details, each of them in the following videos. That's after this video. Now, we have what we call logical operators, which compares to like it can work on true and false. It works on Boolean values. That's what we call logical. Here we have assignment operator like equal to, plus equal to, division equals to, minus equals to, and the rest. Here we have bitwise operators, which work on binary numbers. I'm just showing you can use them with normal decimal numbers, but I decided to use the binary expression so you can see them. Now here is the membership operator, which checks if, for example, 3 in this list will return true if 3 is in this list, or false. In this case, 3 is in this list, so it's going to return true. Now we can print all these values, and I decided to print this one in the binary form so you see it well. As you can see, here is it. It's 9 in decimal, but in binary it's 0B1001. All right, so now we have some other expressions here. We have var1 equals to 10, var2 equals to 10. As you can see, like I told you, if you watch our older videos, Python will not create a duplicate object in memory. So var1 and var2 will point to the same object in memory. Now, the is a membership operator. It returns true if two variables point to the same object in memory. And as I told you, since var1 and var2 will point to the same object 10 in memory, var2 is var1 will return true because they point to the same object, but var3 is var1 will return false. So as you can see, A is true and B is false. All right, so that's it about the main operators in Python and the different parts of an operator, like the operands and the assignment operator. So I hope you understood a few things from this video. In the next couple of videos, we are going to be explaining each of these operators in details. Now, hope you have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.